Guys, we are now in Sorsogon. So all these BYD, all these DMI vehicles from BYD, full tank sila when we all left from Manila. So I'm sure, ang tanong ninyo, nagpakarga ba? Kumusta ba yung consumption? Lahat ng mga to hindi nag-refuel. Now, isa-isayin natin kung ilan ang remaining fuel range na, okay? So this was the Sea Lion 5 that we were driving. Tingnan natin. Sea Lion 5, remaining fuel range is 233 kilometers. Yung SOC niya, 26%. Sea Lion 6, tingnan natin. Look at that, 394 kilometers remaining for the fuel. SOC niya, wow, 59%. BYD Tang DMI, tingnan natin. Look at that, 188 kilometers ang remaining fuel range and SOC is 41%. Hindi yan nagpakarga guys ha. Galing Maynila, ganyan yan. Here's a Seal 5 Premium. Tingnan natin. Seal 5 Premium, 273 kilometers remaining fuel range. SOC is 24%. This is the white E-Max. Look at that. Remaining fuel range is 213 kilometers. SOC is 28%. Wow, panalo. Guys, van yan ha. Van. Ganyan katipid. Tingnan natin itong isa pang E-Max dito. Ito naman yung E-Max na color blue. The same, premium din. Right? Look. Remaining fuel range is, fuel range, 146 kilometers. SOC, 69%. Here is another Seal 5. Tingnan natin. Tayo sa kabila. Ayan. 200. Malinaw ba? 244 kilometers. Ha? Ang remaining fuel range. And SOC is, makita, 69%. Kita ba? Parang madilim eh. Ayan, 69%. Ito naman, here's another Sea Lion 5. Tingnan natin. Look at that, 299 kilometers ang remaining fuel range. SOC is 48%. So syempre guys, nagkakatalo na lang yan, depende sa bigat ng paanong naging mga drivers nila, di ba? Here's another Tang DMI. Tingnan natin. Ayun no.